I'm using the Trusty Tools stamp set today to make a really simple layout for a masculine thank you card. And I just love the images in this stamp set. It's really fun to just mix and match them. Here I just stamp them with the black Memento ink pad, and then I'm going to use my Stampin' Blends alcohol-based markers to color them in. And I love using these markers because there's a dark and a light version of each color, and see how I like to put the outline with the darker color first, and then I color it in with the lighter color, and they blend together and they just look beautiful, like you've painted them like a watercolor or something. So see where I'm putting the accents there again with the darker color and then coloring it in with the lighter. And then I'm going to use the coordinating dies to cut these out. Now I will have close-up pictures and a list of all the products I'm using here on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have everything listed there for you. Look how cute these tools are. So I am just using a little piece of designer series paper for my background here, and then I will layer them up with one of the circles from the Stylish Shapes dies, which are one of my must-haves. I would have that on anybody's wish list. That's the best. See that circle there? They're just the best. So we will layer the tools on there and then put the sentiment on, and we will be done. I hope you enjoy this card. I just think that it was really cute and it was fun to make. So hop on over to my website. I'll have everything listed there, and I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. Thanks so much for following along. I really appreciate you, and I hope that you are getting some excellent inspiration for some fun cards. Talk to you again soon.